Hello everybody, what's going on? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Bissell PowerForce Helix 12B1. This is one of the vacuum cleaners that I got for a birthday present a few days ago when I was out with my friends. I used to have the same exact vacuum a couple years ago, back in 2019, which I received it the day after Halloween of 2018, but then I got rid of it in early September 2019 because I wanted to give it to my friend Norman, because he told me his old vacuum just went kaput, it died. So I gave him my PowerForce Helix, and I really liked that vacuum. I was sad to get rid of it, but I knew Norman would love it. So because of how awesome of a person he is, I thought he deserved to have it. So I gave it to him. That's why you no longer saw it in my videos anymore. But again, just a few days ago, I got another one. The same exact model, same exact machine. Again, Bissell PowerForce Helix. It's got the powerful Helix technology for long-lasting performance. It's got some washable filters. Here's the cord. It came with this cool brush piece, which is really nice. Ever since I got rid of my other PowerForce Helix, I haven't had one of these, so it's kind of nice to have this attachment back. It came with the extension wand and the crevice tool, along with this nice little brush. This one's a little bit dirty, but not too bad. This one was definitely taken care of pretty well. Handle release right here, power switch right here, and hopefully you can see it. This is the model number. Hold on. Try my best so you can see it. Now, you probably can't, but this is a Bissell model 12B1 made on the 53rd day of 2012. Here's the hose. Definitely pretty clean in there. But here's the hose. It's definitely in good shape. Maybe a little bit dusty, but all in all, not too bad. Not as bad as some of the other vacuums I've received. It has the height adjustment knob right down here. Kind of hard to do one-handed, excuse me. So it's got the washable filter in here. I'll show you that. Here's the inside of the dirt cup, a little bit dirty. So yeah, here's the filter. It's got the outer foam filter. On the inside it has the paper filter there. Again, these are both washable. You can just wash these out. And then once you've cleaned it, you just put it back on the vacuum, the same way you did taking it out. Again, extremely hard to do one-handed, so I apologize for this inconvenience. I'm just trying to put the damn filter back in. But of course I'm doing it one-handed, so no wonder I'm going to have difficulties. It also has a little filter in here also to keep, some of the dirt out. It's got a little cyclone up here. It's a good idea to wash this out also. Yeah, definitely pretty clean. Not gonna lie. Could be a whole lot dirtier than it is already. So, just, slide this back over to lock it. This side is unlocking it, and this side is locking it back up. So, Here's your exhaust right here. The exhaust comes right out of here, this front area. It's got a filter behind here too. So yeah, here's the carry handle. And I'll show you the bottom of it. Let's see. So, here's the bottom. Here's the brush roll. Definitely pretty slippery. I think I gotta put a new belt on it, but it's got the height adjustment knobs right here. But yeah. Other than that, not bad. Got a little bit of stuff wrapped around there. I'm gonna try to get that out. I can probably do that later. But yeah, other than that, not too bad at all. So yeah, so here's the handle. Now I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna show you how it runs. It actually works pretty good. So I'll show you that right now. Okay. Let's plug her in here. Okay, now we can try it out. Let me show you how well it works. Oh, okay. So, I have the power switcher on the back, so we just gotta turn it on. Got some decent suction. Definitely needs a new belt. Other than that, it works perfectly. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. Honestly, if you're looking for a Bissell, I would say this is probably the best one to get. This is my absolute favorite Bissell model right here. Really like this one. I always have. So yeah, you can see it works really well. Open up my window, we're gonna dump it out. Of course, it's not gonna be too long because it's freaking cold out there, but you can see that's what it picked up. Not too bad. Even though I just vacuumed in here a few minutes ago with the other vacuum I just reviewed, this one still seemed to do a good job. See, the 12B1 is my absolute favorite PowerForce Helix model because it's a really fancy design. It's, you know, just a really nice vacuum cleaner. If you think about it, you know, because this is the older design, right? The new modern design, the 2191, is not as nice as this older model. So, yeah, I'm definitely pretty happy to have this one. You know, again, also because this was my one that I gave to my buddy Norman as a present. So, and now I have it again. So, great vacuum. Super happy to have it back. It's a great machine. I highly recommend you get one of these if you don't have one already. Just like that one's the best Dirt Devil, this one here is the best Bissell. Because I feel like these things always seem to work properly. They sound cool. Like, they're not like one of those crappy Bissells in my opinion. Like, these are the really nice ones. So, yeah. So, yeah, it's a Bissell 12E1 PowerForce Helix. Hopefully you enjoyed the review, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you want to see more vacuum review videos like this, maybe hit that like button. Tell me in the comments below, which new vacuum of mine should I maybe review next? I can fix it up and review it for you. Just let me know. And yeah, folks, so we'll talk to you later, and be sure to have an awesome rest of your day.